Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done. Very nice movement. First thing I'm doing is some house cleaning, just going to get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations everywhere you look, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update I'm going to do, though, is just get and this is all based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 78 cents, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support, though, I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward, would be if the price can stay above 81 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 81, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Looking at things from the grand scheme of it all, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 81 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party finally stopped today right up there at 85 cents. So 85 will be the key level to watch. But really, resistance levels don't matter much anymore. What do I mean by that? Well, it matters the most is what the price has been doing very, very beautifully, and that is just building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.